Class 10, Chapter 12, Exercise 12.1, Question number 9 and Exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.1, Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as given in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base is of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Answer number 9. Height of the cylinder equal to 10 centimeter. Radius of the base is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Two hemispheres are scooped out having radius 3.5 centimeter. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi into 3.5 into 10 plus 2 pi into 3.5 square plus 2 pi into 3.5 square. 2 pi into 3.5 is common, then in bracket 10 plus 3.5 plus 3.5, that is equal to 2 pi into 3.5 into 17 equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 17 equal to 22 into 17 is equal to 374 centimeter square. Exercise 12.2. Question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. Answer 1. Radius of the base of a cone is equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of the hemisphere equal to 1 centimeter. Height of the cone equal to 1 centimeter. Volume of the solid equal to 2 by 3 pi into 1 cube plus 1 by 3 pi 1 square into 1 equal to 2 by 3 pi into 1 by 3 pi equal to 3 by 3 pi is equal to pi centimeter cube. Question number 2. Rachel, engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of the air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. Answer 2. Diameter of the model equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of the base is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. Height of the model is equal to 12 centimeter. Cylindrical part of the model, height of the HEIGST height of cylindrical part of the model equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Volume of air contained in the model is equal to pi into 3 by 2 whole square into 12 plus into 8 plus 1 by 3 pi into 3 by 2 square into 2 plus 1 by 3 pi into 3 by 2 whole square into 2 equal to pi into 9 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 3 pi into 9 by 4 plus 2 into 9 by 4 into 2 plus 1 by 3 pi into 9 by 4 into 2, that is 18 pi plus 2 by 3 pi plus into 9 by 4 into 2 equal to 18 pi plus 2 into 9 into 2 by 3 into 4 pi equal to 18 pi plus 3 pi is equal to 21 pi, that is 21 into 22 by 7, that is 66 centimeter cube. That is the answer. That's all.